Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Horilla. In this video, let's talk about the recruitment survey feature which you can find inside the recruitment module of Horilla. So, recruitment survey form actually helps you to create a tailored questionnaire for various job applications or job positions which you are creating. Okay, desired questionnaire can be created, and once a person apply for a particular job position, that person will be going through this questionnaire and they'll have to answer the survey form. Okay, so by doing so, you will get the data from the candidate. Okay, so that data will be collected to the database and it makes your recruitment process pretty much easier. So let's move on to the module and see how to set up the recruitment survey form. So guys, now let's talk about the recruitment survey feature which you can find inside the recruitment module of Horilla. So just click on the recruitment over here, and here you can find the recruitment survey. So I'm just clicking on that, and here you have two sections, which is the templates as well as the question. Okay, so here you can create the templates and here the questions can be created. So here we already have two templates, which is demo and new template. So I'm just taking this new template. If you expand this demo, you can find the question which is created under the template. So I'm going to create a question for new template. So here I'm choosing the template, which is new template. You can choose the recruitment here. I'm choosing hiring employees. And here you can add the question. So I'm adding like, do you have any previous experience? Okay, so this is the question which I'm adding. That has been added. Here you can add the sequence of the question, and here you can choose the type of the question. So this is a yes or no question. I'm choosing that and I'm saving it. Okay, so the new survey question is created right now. Now let's see where this question has been used or answered. So before that, what you have to do is go to recruitment, and my recruitment was, let's go back and change the recruitment. So this is hiring employees, right? I am going to do edits on it, and let's choose the recruitment as future post recruitment, and I'm saving it. Okay, so new survey question has been created. Now let's go to the recruitment, and from here you can see under the actions you have the option to share the link. So from the future post recruitment, I'm sharing the link. Okay, so the link is copied. Now what I'm gonna do is take a new tab, and from here I'm just logging out. Okay, so I'm logging out because this was signed in as a admin. Okay, so here, okay, so this is the application form. Okay, so this is the application form. I'm filling up the name, so let the name be Maria. Okay, Maria is the name, and the job position, it's only for salesman, so salesman is chosen here. And I'm choosing her mail ID, maria@gmail.com. The phone number I'm giving here. Okay, so here you can give the link of the portfolio, resume. So I'm adding the resume here. Okay, choose the gender. The address can be given here. So I'm giving the address as this. The country can be chosen. Okay, so I'm choosing Qatar. Okay, the state is also chosen, the city, and also the zip code. Okay, so you have to make sure that you provide a profile picture. Okay, so here I'm just choosing for a picture. Let's search for a picture. Okay, I'm choosing this picture and setting it up. Okay, so that's done. Everything is done. Here you can see the job description and all. Okay, once you're done, click on apply. Okay, so after applying, you can see application saved. So this survey template, that is the survey question which you have created, will appear once you click on apply. Okay, so you can see Maria survey. Do you have any previous experience? You can either click on yes or no. So I'm just clicking on yes and then save it. Okay, you can see registration success. Your answers have been submitted. So that's all about the survey form feature inside the recruitment. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.